It began not with an explosion, but with a whisper. An image that should have been discarded, an error buried in the endless stream of data pouring from the James Webb Space Telescope. A flicker in the spectrographic noise. But then came the realization, a pattern too clean, too deliberate, too precise to be nature's randomness. This wasn't dust scattering sunlight. It wasn't a star collapsing into its final breath. And it wasn't a comet. It was something else. Something cold. Something calculating. Something that seemed to be watching us. The object already had a name, 3I, Atlas. The third confirmed interstellar visitor after Oumuamua and Borisov. From the moment it was spotted, Atlas defied the laws we thought governed such wanderers. Comets glow as they near the sun, their frozen bodies hissing streams of vapor, painting tails across the dark. But Atlas refused. No coma. No water vapor. No carbon monoxide. Only carbon dioxide, huge volumes of it, pouring into space like smoke from a hidden engine. No comet in history had ever done this. It was as if the object had chosen its disguise carefully, wearing only what would confuse us. NASA kept quiet, but inside control rooms the alarms were already flashing. The Spherex Observatory confirmed the impossible profile. Hubble glimpsed strange halos. And then, in silence, Webb was aimed directly at Atlas on August 6, 2025. No press release. No images. Just a wall of silence. Until the leak. The data revealed an object like nothing ever recorded. A symmetrical halo of carbon dioxide stretching hundreds of thousands of kilometers, not random, not natural, but geometric, engineered. At its center, light. Not reflected sunlight, but light emitted from within. The wavelengths pulsed in prime number sequences, the mathematical fingerprint of intelligence. A Morse code written in starlight. Webb measured the core at nearly 46 kilometers wide, the largest interstellar body ever observed. Too large, too precise, too deliberate to simply drift here by chance. Even more unsettling was its path. Unlike Oumuamua's chaotic tumble, Atlas entered the solar system perfectly aligned with the orbital plane of the planets. Not a chance trajectory, but a planned approach. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb called it technologically suggestive, noting it seemed designed for maximum visibility from Earth. And its origin? The Sagittarius constellation, the same patch of sky from which the infamous WOW signal once came. Speculation grew darker. What if Atlas wasn't natural at all? What if it was a machine, a hollowed-out asteroid, retrofitted into a vessel, its machinery hidden beneath kilometers of rock, its emissions cloaked by engineered outgassing? A concept long imagined by human scientists, now hovering on our doorstep. But the most chilling discovery came in the patterns. Infrared bursts with deliberate pauses, like a voice waiting for us to answer. Atlas was not simply here. It was listening. Governments locked the data away. Observatories ordered silent. And then, the X-37B, America's secretive spaceplane, launched without warning, its path suspiciously close to Atlas's projected route. Classified documents leaked soon after confirmed the worst. Atlas had been reclassified, no longer a comet, but a technological unknown of extraterrestrial origin. Then came the countdown. Hidden in the signal's structure was a timer. 283 days. A clock not built by us but by it. Counting toward an event no one yet understands. Some scientists whisper that Atlas is not merely a probe, but a hybrid of machine and biology, an evolving intelligence traveling across galaxies, capable of choosing its targets. The Webb data showed something else. When mapped against star fields, the emissions outlined not our sky, but the Triangulum galaxy, nearly 3 million light-years away, with a line drawn straight back to Earth. Not a coincidence. A path. A return. NASA says it's nothing more than a comet. But silence speaks louder than denial. And if the countdown is real, then Atlas is not passing by. It is arriving. The question is no longer what it is. The question is why now? Why Earth?